So hello guys, welcome to dev domain. In today's video we are going to see what are functions in Java. So let's start. Functions are also called as methods. Okay, in Java functions are also called as method. Some programmer called methods or some programmer called functions. Okay, so next point will be they are the block of code that perform specific tasks. Means there is a specific tasks we have to perform. Suppose addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so we can write a function for it specifically, and that block of code will perform the uh, same task multiple times. Okay, the methods helps in breaking down a complex problems into smaller, more manageable chunks, improving code readability and reusability. Means the methods break down the complex code into the uh, easier, means understandable, human understandable, or the programmer understandable format. So the programmer will know how the code is written in Java. Okay, what functions are used, or means the code gets simpler. Okay, in short. And the readability of that code gets improved. Okay, means read that code very easily. Okay, and next there is the most important is reusability. Okay, um, we can reuse that code, means we can reuse that function multiple times. Okay, we need not have to write that code, that block of function, whatever I have written multiple times. Once we write a function, then we just have to call that function from the main method. Okay, if we call the function multiple times, okay, then the block of code will be run in multiple times. So this is the syntax for writing a function in Java. So first, this is public static, return type, and the method name. Okay, and we have to write here brackets. Okay, and in this curly block, okay, curly block braces, we have to write a code. Okay, in this, and this is public. Okay, in public it is a access specifier, and static is a reserved keyword in Java. And return type, okay, the return type might be void, then integer, float, character, string, etc. Okay, and we have to give the name of for the method. Okay, here in this square bracket we can also pass the parameters. Okay, okay, and here we have to give a return value. Okay, suppose the return type is void, then we need to give a return value. Okay, suppose the return type is int or float, string, then we have to give a return value. Okay, we have to write a return. Okay, otherwise the code will give error. Okay, so why we use methods in Java? Okay, so first reason is repetition. So once we create a function for a specific task, then we need to write the block of code again and again. Okay, once we create a block of code, okay, then we simply just call the function name in the main method. Okay, then the code will execute it multiple times. Okay, then second point will be decreasing in line of code. Okay, so the uh, as we are just calling the function multiple times, obviously the uh, code gets reduced. Okay, and third point will be readability. Okay, readability means the programmer or the uh, coder will be easily understand the code. Okay, if we do not write the functions, then it is complex to understand the code. Okay, so there are certain rules of method declaration. Okay, so first rule is to define a function. Okay, we should define a function here. Okay, define a block of codes here. Okay, after defining a block of code, we have to call that function. If we do not call the function, okay, call the function. If we do not call the function, the block of code will not be executed. Okay, so let's see in the demonstration how we can write a function in Java. Okay, so I have created a class called demo. In that I am creating a function public static, return type will be void, and method name will be say hello. Okay, I'm giving this brackets and curly brackets. Okay, in curly brackets I am printing the hello word. Okay, so to execute this function we have to create a main method. Okay, in that main method we have to call the function. So to call the function we have to write the method name. Here the method name is say hello. Okay, so I have called the function from the main method. So let's see what will be the output. Okay, so we have get this output as hello world. Okay, so let's write another function. Okay, public static int sum. Okay, we have to sum two numbers. Okay, and now I am giving the parameters as well, int a and int b. Okay, in to return a plus b. Okay, now we have to call the function from the main method. Okay, system dot out dot print and we have to call the function. Okay, here we have to give the numbers. Okay, so let's take 5 and 4. Okay, a as 5 and b as 4. So let's see what will be the output. Okay, so I have get the output as 9. Okay, so 5 plus 4 will be 9. So this way we can create the functions in Java. Okay, so Thank you for watching this video.